Hi, this is Jaylene from WTI, and I want to show you how I organize my life with this planner. So this is what the planner looks like from the side or from the back. And once you open the planner, you have a view of this year and next year with some important holidays. And then you can write down some important dates for the months. And also you can write down your passwords. As you can see, for the month of October, I have some events planned, but you can also write your monthly to-do list and you can check it off as you go. And then for the notes, you can write down some notes, important reminders that you have. So what I really like about this planner is that it comes with space to write down your notes. So it's like a planner and a notebook in one. So if you ever find yourself needing a notebook, you can write down your stuff there. So I find this planner to be really helpful, and I think it might help you too, but that's just my point of view.